वो बालाजी का दौर था, उसके बाद if any show has made this level of hype,
it's Anupama. If you go to see, there's no difference between Tasneem and Rakhi Dave. I have heard and I have felt every house has an
it
Anupama.
truly is the कहानी घर घर की.
Truly it is कहानी घर घर की. And क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी,
वो भी है. Playing a mother easier on Anupama now that you are a mother. छोटी बेटी की सही, but is it easier? Emotions?
Yes. I'm telling you very honestly.
You're able to draw on that.
Yes. As I am a mother of a 13 and a half, almost 14-year-old daughter, I could feel for that character. If you go to see, there's no difference between Tasneem and Rakhi Dave. Not much. I'm quite blunt in my real life. जो गलत है उसको गलत बोलूंगी, जो सही है उसको सही बोलूंगी. In between मैं कभी नहीं बोलती. That's how Rakhi Dave is. I'm always there for my own people. Always stand for them. Okay? And where my daughter is concerned, yes, I am Rakhi Dave in personal life too.
Yeah. What is the best or the craziest audience reaction you've had to your performances?
I'll give you for the recent one, Rakhi Dave only. Till the time I didn't expose Vanraj and Kavya. Okay, Vanraj and Kavya were exposed by me.
By you, yes.
I was like, people used to sometimes say, "Arey, kya aa gayi? Abhi pareshan karegi, ulta sida bolegi," and this and that, The moment I exposed Kavya and Vanraj, all of a sudden the audience, because exposing Kavya and Vanraj, I'm in a way siding Anupama. Okay? All of a sudden the audience turned. So whenever something would go wrong in the show, people would expect me to come, कि अरे राखी दवे को बुलाओ, अभी तो इसकी जरूरत है, आके बताए, Then what happened? I was gone for almost 6 months last year. From September till 27th February, I was off Anupama. Okay? And then when I came back, you have no idea the way audience celebrated it. It is there still on my Insta post. The way they had sent the comments, some people send the gifts at home. Oh, we are so happy you're back. So it's become like, she comes like one bloody lawyer, she fatkaus, unko main punish karati hu, main chali jati hu.
Right.
It's that way.
And the crazy thing with Anupama, I was talking to somebody today about this, is that वो बालाजी का दौर था, उसके बाद if any show has made this level of hype,
it's Anupama.
एक घर में जो चलता है, that trend stopped after क्योंकि कहानी. जो घर में चलता है, I'm like, सब अनुपमा देख रहे हैं, मतलब it's like a standard thing. Like many of us didn't think that trend would ever come back in television because इतने सारे channels हो गए, इतने सारे shows हैं.
See, I'll tell you something, Govit. Whenever you see something which is happening in your own life, you would want to see more. So Anupama is a story where it is happening in every middle class family. A mother is doing everything for the children are back answering, husband is not paying attention to her, mother is only taking care of mother-in-law, father-in-law, mother-in-law is troubling her, she wants to do something but she cannot be, she can't do, husband comes and dominates at home, then there's some rich person in the family who tries and shows off and comes and gives the comment, sometimes Tana and all. Every family has this. There is a teenager child in the house who's trying to do this, that mother is trying to control and something is happening in their life. It is only reality. That's the reason the show is hit. I'm telling you what, very honestly, for what I have heard and I have felt, every house has an Anupama.
It truly is the कहानी घर घर की.
Truly it is कहानी घर घर की. And क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी,
वो भी है.
If you go to see, because she is so good with her bahu, which is my daughter.
Yes.
Because वो एक बहू थी ना, उसकी सास भी एक बहू थी, she's gone through. So it's that way. It's a combination of.
And it's kasauti zindagi ki.
And it's her kasauti.
Absolutely.
It's a combination.
It's a combination. That's a magic. That's a magic.
That's a magic.
Yes.